Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Decor Day. Today's video is about interiors that are based on warm neutral colors. These hues, ranging from soft beige to rich taupe, create a serene and sophisticated atmosphere that invites relaxation and contemplation. They serve as a versatile backdrop for a variety of decorating styles, from minimalist to bohemian, proving that simplicity does not mean boring. Creating cozy and inviting spaces with warm neutrals is all about layering. Incorporating different shades and textures of these understated colors can transform a room into a snug haven. By strategically placing plush throws, soft pillows, and richly textured rugs, one can achieve a comforting and welcoming environment that beckons one to curl up and unwind. The role of texture in enhancing warm neutral interiors cannot be overstated. It introduces depth and dimension to spaces that might otherwise appear flat and monotonous. Whether it's the roughness of a sisal rug, the softness of a mohair throw, or the sleekness of a leather armchair, textures play a crucial role in adding character and interest to neutral schemes. Layering different shades of warm neutrals for depth and interest is akin to painting with a rich palette of earthy tones. Each layer, from the darkest chocolate brown to the lightest cream, adds a layer of complexity and richness. This approach allows for a dynamic and evolving space that remains cohesive while providing visual intrigue and warmth. The psychology behind warm neutral colors in home interiors taps into our innate desire for comfort and security. These colors, reminiscent of the earth and nature, evoke a sense of calm and grounding. They create an environment where one feels safe and nurtured, making them an ideal choice for creating a sanctuary in the home. Lighting plays a pivotal role in warm, neutral color palettes, transforming spaces from flat to multidimensional. The right illumination accentuates the subtle hues, creating an inviting and cozy atmosphere. Choosing the correct furniture for a warm, neutral interior is crucial. Opt for pieces that complement the color scheme without overpowering it, allowing the serene and calm tones to shine through. Accessorizing with warm neutrals requires a keen eye for detail. Incorporate elements like soft textiles and organic materials to add texture and depth, subtly enhancing the space without overwhelming it. Natural materials are the backbone of warm neutral design schemes. Their inherent textures and colors seamlessly blend with neutral palettes, promoting a sense of peace and grounding in the space. A warm neutral living room offers a case study in balance and sophistication. By carefully selecting colors, textures, and materials, one can create a welcoming space that appeals to a wide audience. Integrating pops of color into a warm, neutral space breathes life and personality into the room. Vibrant hues against a backdrop of soft, earthy tones create a dynamic contrast that invigorates the space. The art of blending warm and cool neutrals offers a sophisticated balance that appeals to a wide range of tastes. This approach ensures your interiors feel harmonious yet intriguing, catering to a serene ambience. Contemporary interior design frequently embraces warm, neutral color trends, showcasing how these hues can create sleek, modern spaces. This palette provides a versatile foundation that accommodates evolving decor styles and preferences. To keep warm, neutral interiors looking fresh, regular updates with textures and patterns are key. Subtle changes, such as new throw pillows or an area rug, can rejuvenate the space without overwhelming the senses. In small spaces, warm neutrals work wonders by visually expanding the area. Light shades reflect more light, making cramped rooms feel airy and more open, proving that cozy can also be spacious. Wall art plays a transformative role in warm, neutral interior designs, adding depth and personality. By selecting pieces that complement the color scheme, a room becomes more inviting and visually cohesive. Creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection with warm neutrals enhances the sense of space. Using similar shades inside and out blurs the boundaries, making interiors feel larger and more integrated with nature. The secret to achieving a timeless, warm, neutral interior lies in the balance of textures and shades. This approach ensures the design remains classic and versatile, adapting easily to changing trends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more home decor inspiration.